Felicia! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you Don't Know What to Do by BLACKPINK. So this is the explanation part of this tutorial. If you guys don't want the explanation and want to go straight into the music section, as per usual, you'll click up there and I'll link it in the description box below too. If you guys wanted to learn this step by step, then you came to the right place. Don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Alrighty, so let's begin this tutorial. So first, we're gonna have the legendary guns, okay? So the two fingers together and the thumb. So we're gonna roll the guns towards our body, okay? So it comes in and out, okay? While we come, it's gonna come up real fast, so in full motion, here. All right, so it's gonna be right beside our heads, and then we're gonna cross all over our bodies. So notice how my left arm is up on top of the right. If you guys are that detailed, just be sure that the left is on top of the right. So again, we roll up in here, and then we're gonna do a little shimmy. I kind of like to do a 1-2 step with our right and left. It looks cute. So right, left, and back, center. So let's start from the top. We roll up and we cross. So let's start from the top. We come with our guns. Ready? Roll up, cross, and shimmy here. So once we've come the shimmy, we're going to basically jump, small jump, okay? So now our feet is a little bit like shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. We're going to bring our right hand, so the palm is facing to the right, and then we're going to swing from left and right with our hips, okay? So we just came from here, we come left. Immediately, like I jumped, and notice how my hip automatically moves to left. So we go left, right. Now, we're gonna come up with our hands, prayer hands. I feel like I've been doing this a lot in my tutorials. Here, and then down. So that, and we're gonna move our hips as well, left to right, okay? Let me show you again. We come here, we come left hip, right hip, left hip, right hip. Okay, so notice how when we do the second left, my hands are up, on the right hip, my hand is down, pointing down. So now that once we've done the hands up and down, we're gonna come up to the left, and now I'm going to bring my hands together so my palms are facing down, but sort of like I'm like, you know how when you shield your eyes from the sun or like, you know, from the rain? That's kind of how I think about it. Create a little umbrella, and then we're gonna lean to the left, okay? From here, we're gonna go to the right, lean to the right, and we're gonna flick out. So make it kind of hard yet soft. So it's like 1, 2. The only part I'm like hitting hard are my hands. My arms are still kind of loose. I know it's a little bit confusing, but you can see how my arms are really loose and I'm still flowing with the motion. Yeah, my hands, I'm hitting it hard. Let's start from here. Sounds good? We come left hip, right hip, up and down. Now shield, right. Now we're gonna go do this the same thing, but to the left, okay? To the left. In total, there are 2 hits of this. Flicking the hands, right, left. Once we've come right, left, we're gonna do the same motion going to the right. So we're coming from low, but this time my left hand's gonna stay still. We're gonna bring our right arm up and face this way because we're about to come hit down with our right arm. So again, let me show you. We come right, left, come up. Notice how I'm driving my left foot in the end. So let me do the arm motions first. So once we come here, we're gonna hit down. So everything's pointing down, but my right arm is up. And then we're gonna switch. Everything is pointing down. Right arm, left arm is up. Now, everything's going to point up, okay? And our left arm is still up. So again, 3 hits, we come up and hit, 2, 3. Now, with the leg movements, they're kind of switching positions within the members. So we're gonna come here and come 1, 2, 3. Basically, the easiest way for me is to just kind of hop on my right leg and lift up my left. So in all together now, we're gonna come up, down, down, up. And let's start from the very top and put everything together. So we come up, roll, cross, shimmy, shimmy, and left, right, come up, down, shield, right, left, up, and hit, 2, 3. Okay, so once we've hit the third one, we're going to jump out again, and I'm going to notice how my left foot is pointing to you. Right is a little bit out. We're going to use this as our pivot, yeah, okay. Yes, we're gonna pivot our foot. So from here, we're gonna come 1, 2, 3. The here is she goes, don't know what to do, okay? So notice when I'm up with my right arm, this one points out, okay? So like basically my thigh is coming to you, and this one, I'm like putting it back in. So out, in, in. So let's come from here, we come 1, 2, 3, and don't know what to do, okay? So I notice how I started with my right arm first. We come up, 2, up, 2, up. Once we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to put our left hand on our hip. We're gonna do this movement a lot, and we're gonna go from right, move to the right, just like so, and move to the left. So I'm snaking down, up with my right arm. Okay, so notice palm down, now palm up, okay? So snake, snake. Once we've done up, down, up, snake, snake, notice how my weight is on the left foot. So now I'm going to cross my right foot over my left, and this is where we cross our arms too. Well, not exactly cross since our arms are basically the same length, but we're gonna come up, so right, palms facing to the audience, right on top of left. We're gonna step left on top of right, step right on top of left, and then left on top of right. Okay, so all together, it should be semi-easy. So when you start with your right foot, your right hand should be on top, and vice versa. Left foot, left on top. Okay, so we cross, left, 2, 3. Now, we finish from here. We're gonna step out with our right and into like a stance, shoulder width apart. Once we do this, we're going to hit to the left, okay? And notice how my weight is on my right leg now. So once we've hit, we're going to go again, hit, all right? And then we're going to do a little, I'm going counterclockwise with my hips, and we're going to go, hey, here, and go back to the left. Notice how when I was hitting with these, my hands were like flat, palms to the ground. Here, chop, and here. But then on a third one, my palms are facing up and facing to the left. So let's come from here where we do the 3 hits, okay? We come 1, 2, 3, and don't know what to do. And snake, snake, come right, left, and hit, shimmy, here. Once we get to this position, we're gonna flap it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 4 times, but notice, obviously, we come closer to the front. By the 4th one, you should be completely in front of the audience. And notice, when we were here, my weight was on my right leg, but as I move, it shifts to the left. Yes? See that change in body weight? Alrighty. Again, let's do that one more time. We come here, hit, 2, 3, and don't know what to do, and snake, snake, right, left, hit, shimmy, here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do don't know what to do without you once again after we finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, and remember a small jump. This points front, out to the side, right, arm up, and don't know what to do without you, okay? So let's call that part 1, and then we'll go on to part 2. Let's start from here. Remember, we come point, we come point, point, spin here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we come, don't know what to do, snake here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and review the entire part 1 before moving on to part 2. If you guys need more time with individual steps, feel free to go back and stop this video, take your time, but if not, let's get going. So, legendary guns, we come roll up and cross and shimmy here, and left hip, right hip, up, down, now shield, right, left, come up and hit, 2, 3, and don't know what to do, snake, snake, right, left, hit, hit, around, and 1, 2, 3, 4, don't know what to do, snake, snake. Okay, part 2 of this tutorial. So, we just came from don't know what to do, snake, snake. Now from here, we're gonna go, okay, so leg moves first. Step right, left, easy enough. I'm kind of going in a circle because the members change like their positions and stuff like that. So that's just the leg movements, but I'm just basically going in a circle if you're dancing by yourself, okay? So with the arm movements, it's really easy. We come right, left. Notice I'm changing levels as I go. All together now, we come right, left. Let's do it one more time and I'll go straight into the next move. So right, left. So the last thing you do is take a left step. From here, we're going to do a serve like a waiter, okay? Serve the food, and we're gonna turn, and I'm gonna turn to the right. So turn to the right, and from here, I'm going to lift up my left leg with my left arm at the same time, okay? So let me show you in faster motion. We come, turn, here. So from the little woohoo waves, we come 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn, okay? Remember, turn to the right, turn, and hit. Now, from once we've hit and lifted our left leg, we're gonna come cross up. Okay, so we're crossing our hands and then we're touching our head. Yes, the back of our head. So from here, up, roll, cross. Here, we're gonna step with our left foot. We're going to bring our right arm over, and we're kind of caressing from up to down. So right, left. So both of your hands were back here, right? Because we just crossed up. So we start with our left to lean to the right and bring our right arm down. Now we lean to the left. Now our right arm is down, but we're crossing our left. We're gonna come down a little bit longer and then bring it to our chest. And then we go 1, 2. When we do this body roll, my left arm is here, and we're going to put it into a fist. We come 1, 2. To finish it off, we're gonna step with our right, and as we do it, we're gonna step with our right twice, okay? As we do it, we're going, our right hand is like open but flat, like this, and we're gonna go 1, 2. I don't know what you wanna call this, but I'm pushing in a circle, okay? Remember, so out to in, out to in. So once again, we will come across, up, step, here, now 1, 2, now out to in. And by the time with my second, I should be back kind of sideways facing to the left, but I'm still facing you. So my lower part is facing to the left, my upper body is still facing you. Alrighty, let's start from the beginning of part 2. So we came from don't know what to do, and we snake here. Now, wave 2, 3, 4, step up and cross up. Now step to the left, right, and body, roll, and flip, flip. So once we've done the flip, flip, this one's gonna be really easy. You know this move. We're gonna step again to the right, and we're gonna do the little waves back to the top, okay? So we come flip, flip, now right, left, right, left. Oh, you know this next move too. Serve, remember, to the right, up. Oh, and you know this move too. We're gonna cross, up. Wow, so much similarity. Alrighty, so once I've come cross, up, you almost know this move too. So this time, instead of we're gonna do don't know what to do, we're gonna come jump, but this time I'm going to have my left arm up first, okay? Left arm up first. Now this time my right is pointing front, this one's pointing side, and we're gonna go, don't know what to do, okay? It's literally the same motion, but opposite. So remember this out, in, out, in, out. Again, left arm up first, don't know what to do, and we're gonna take a moment, do, okay? And then we're gonna change, jump to the right. Basically, you know this, but this time we're gonna go, don't know what. On the right side, we're only gonna do 3. So here's what I mean by 3. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right, so remember on the left, we're gonna go 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn, and 1, 2, 3. Now, their ending move, they're going into the next, the next formation, but I like to end this course on like a nice ending, so it looks like I ended the dance not awkwardly. So I come, once I go 1, 2, 3, personally, I take a step to the right, we go 1, 2, and we're gonna step. So it's a step to the right, we come out, it's a circle going from outside my body to inside. So we come out, in. Let's do the different part once again, okay? So we just came roll up, now we go to the left, don't know what to do, and don't know what to out, hit. And that is the end of part 2. Okay, so I'm going to do a full review on the second part, and then I will do a full review of the entire chorus. So if you need more time, feel free to go back. But let's start with part 2. Ready? We do the wave starting with our right foot. So we come right, left, serve, up, cross, head, now step down, and body roll, and flip, flip, right, left, serve, hit, cross, up. Now don't know what to do, and 1, 2, roll up. Full review, let's roll up with our guns. Roll up, cross, and here, shimmy, and left, right, come up, down, shield, right, left, come up, and 1, 2, 3, and don't know what to do. Snake, snake, and cross. 2, right, left, hit, shimmy here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know what to do. Snake, snake, wave. 2, 3, 4. Serve, hit, cross, head, now step 2, and body roll, and 1, 2, and wave. 2, 3, 4. Serve, hit, cross, up. Don't know what to do. Now to the right and roll up. Okay, that was the end of the explanation tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this and learning this with me. Don't forget that the music section is in the description box below. It's probably on the side too. All my social media sites, as per usual, is in the description box below. My Instagram dance account is felicia.covers. Make sure to find me on there. And I hope to see you guys in the music section of the tutorial. But if not, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.